Hi and welcome to new video. Simple video of oil and filter change for the Volkswagen Caddy. We have the 1.6 diesel engine 2013 Caddy. We'll start by lifting the car on the ramps. It was emergency change during the holidays, so even we don't have gloves. Anyway, make sure that the parking gear is engaged, or the first gear engaged with the handbrake, and the anti-rolling blocks are secured behind the back wheels. And now we will be ready to remove the most difficult part of this job, which is the under plate, which you can see here. It's secured by one screw in the front, 4 on each side, T20, and the back 3 T40 screws. You can see here. It's very demanding job just to remove this plate. Make sure you wear protection for your eyes and for your nose, because it will be kind of dirty. Here's the description, I'm gonna put it for you. So, to reach the drain plug, which is 90mm box, universal for Volkswagen, to release such oil, this is the drain plug, which is next to the oil level sensor. You can see on the left side here. Here's the plug, and here's the oil level sensor. We unplug it with a big wrench, carefully with our hands, not to burn ourselves. Now this is the time to remove this T27 screw, which hold a lot of cables above the oil filter. No need to remove any air filter or the ducts, just leave it aside. Take this screw out. You can secure it on the side with the cables, and you can reach the oil filter, which is hiding there, and it's a 32mm box. We can take it out with normal wrench. Meanwhile, somebody will prepare bags or rags just to protect the engine from the dirty oil after we take it out. This oil filter contains 3 O-rings, 2 small and 1 big, the original one. So we have the new filter with the new O-rings, which we're gonna install. I like to use instrument that you will see now. This is the oil filter ready to be removed by hand. So just make sure that you took the other cables out of the way and just put it in the plastic bag. This. Now the messy part starts. This is the oil which is there. You can take it by vacuum later. We open the oil cover and the measuring rod, so it will help drain the oil. Now, this is one of the filters, which is the man filter, which fits to this car. It has the 3 O-rings in it. In this car, you can see here that it doesn't matter writing up or down, but in some cars it really matters, like the Golf. So always put the writing toward the oil cap, as if it's like up. This is the instrument I use. It's kind of curved needle, so I don't injure myself with the straight screwdrivers. Installing the new O-rings, the 2 small. And after I install each ring, I make sure that I lubricate it with the new or old oil, doesn't matter actually. And when I put the rings, I put it in its place. Like this one, the big one, there's the groove which starts here. I put it there, not next to the cap. It should be secured there, lubricated, so the oil filter will come after. You can use the oil from the old oil filter. So now it's time for the filter, putting the writing toward the cap, which is inside now. try to keep stuff as clean as possible. We'll put it back in the reverse order. Just make sure that the cables are out of the way, and it will just slide in its place. No need for any force, just take stuff out of the way. Like this, it slides. I will use my hand in the beginning to make sure that it's threading inside the housing, and once I feel the resistance, I'll start using my torque wrench, because I'm gonna set it up to 25 Newton meter. So now after I start doing this, it will break by itself, the torque wrench. After I finish putting the oil filter cap in its place, I put the new drain plug with the new washer, secure it to 25 Newton meter, also put the cover plate back again. Here you can see how it breaks. So this is the end here. I will put the other cables, which was above it, back in its place. Now it's time to put the drain plug in its place, torque it to 25 Newton meter, new drain plug, new washer, putting back the cover plate, which we took in the beginning, put it in its place. Now we are ready to add the oil. The oil is according to each area climate, so use the recommended climate recommendation for the oil. We always add less than more. The recommended amount with the filter change for this car is 4.5. I always put half liter less. Switch on the car, reach normal temperature, switch off the car, wait for 3 minutes, and then measure the oil level, and I will add accordingly. And this will conclude this simple procedure, and I hope you like it, find it useful. I hope you subscribe to our channel. I hope you give like if you find it useful for you, and we are open to hear any comments, and see you in other videos. And for the meantime, bye bye.